Welcome. In this tutorial, we write a JavaScript function that filters out all elements from an array that are greater than or equal to a given number. This is a practical use case for array filtering and functional programming. We'll use the filter method along with a dynamic function generator. Let's explore how it works with a clear example. We're given an array of numbers and a threshold value. The goal is to return only those elements that are greater than or equal to the threshold. In this case, we expect to keep values like 11, 45, and 10. Let's walk through the code and let's walk through the code used to achieve this filtering. We first define a function called bigger elements that returns another function. That inner function is used as a filter condition to test if the values meet the threshold. Then we pass it into filter to get only the numbers that are big enough. It's a clean and reusable way to apply custom filtering. The outer function accepts a value like 10, and the inner function uses that to test each item. When you call filter with it, only the elements that meet the conditions are returned. This is a great use of closures and high order functions. Let's now explore some test cases. In our examples, we can see that only values matching the conditions are kept. The function works regardless of how many elements match or do not match. This flexibility makes it ideal for working with dynamic datasets. Now, let's look at where you might use these in real life. Filtering logic like this shows up in many real-world tools, whether it's product prices, customer ages, or cleaning or cleaning dead or cleaning datasets. Threshold filters are essential. This type of logic also drives interactive filters in user interfaces. Let's finish with a quick recap. We have successfully created a reusable way to filter array values using JavaScript. This pattern is simple, powerful, and easy to extend. Try changing the threshold and see how your filtered array updates. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.